Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss on email deliverability with Marketing Cloud. So, email deliverability refers to the ability of your emails to reach the recipient's inbox rather than to the spam or junk food, right? So, as we discussed in our earlier videos, that email deliverability is very much important, right? Uh, there are so many factors that affects email deliverability. That how many number of subscribers you are sending email to, how they are responding to your email, how much interaction they are doing with your email, what is the unsubscriber rate, then how much clean your data is, what is your subscriber data hygiene, right? Are you receiving more hard bounces or soft bounces? Are your emails getting blocked? How your email domain is performing, whether that domain is at risk of getting blacklisted, or you are getting, so many bounces that will, help you to understand that like your data is not cleaned. If you are getting more number of bounces, then it will definitely affect your email deliverability, right? So if let's there are some factors that I have listed down here. So let's look at those factors that can affect deliverability. That is sender reputation, right? As I said, that it's very important for a subscriber to identify that from where the email is coming, from whom and from where, or from which company the email is coming, and the IP health, what IP address is used to send an email, then authentication protocols like your SPF is set up, your DKIM is done, your DMARC is done to ensure that your emails are not landing into spam. If there are more number of emails going into a spam folder of your subscribers, that will also affect deliverability. Then what is your content quality? While you are writing an email content, you need to make sure that there are very less spammy words, there are very less sales and marketing words, uh, very minimum links, easy to redirect to those links, then less images, uh, and how many, and then again this is about the content quality. Then what would be the engagement metrics? As I said, engagement metrics, that links, redirects, CTA buttons. If there are too many CTA buttons, if there are too many images, if there are too many links, that will definitely land your email to spam folder. So it's better you have a crisp, simple, with very cut short, content that will directly hit the objective that you are trying to convey to your recipients. This is like I tried to explain uh, that how should your email be to like to make sure that your email deliverability is not getting affected due to your email content. That's very important, right? So IP warming to establish a good sender reputation. So what we do when the email deliverability is disturbed, the performance is not good. So at that time, we perform one activity that is named as IP warming to make sure that we improve our sender reputation, because all these small factors that we were discussing, that will at the end go and affect your sender reputation, also will affect your IP health, and then this will all lead to like going your domain to blacklist, and then this IP warming activity will take time. Means IP warming will help you to improve the sender reputation. So that is a long process. It's not like within a week you will be able to improve your sender reputation. IP warming, when you start IP warming from today, maybe consider, let's say, 3 months, that to improve your sender reputation. So it's a slow process, slowly, like it's a drop, 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 drop. So slowly you will, improve your sender reputation, and then this will ensure that your emails are going and landing to the correct person and correct, uh, correct subscribers or recipients that you have select in their inbox, not into a spam folder. Okay, and there is also one more thing that IP email deliverability is to monitor that email deliverability every month or every campaign you run is very much important. For any disturbance that you see in that part, you need to optimize your campaign. You need to optimize your email. Okay. So again, in one line, if we say good deliverability ensures your emails land into the into the inbox, not into the spam folder. So this is very important. Like very, very, very. If you are an email marketing specialist in Marketing Cloud or maybe any other platform, these factors are very much important. Now let's look at the Marketing Cloud. In Marketing Cloud, what are few steps that we do to ensure this email deliverability is not getting disturbed, or maybe to understand that how we can know that, from where we will get to know that, okay, there is something up and down or there is something disturbance going on here. So I need to check everything again. I need to check my content. And also when, we are creating our email content, as I mentioned, that it's very much important that you have a very crisp and simple email, right? So it's also important that you are having a very good CTA button, and you are writing and putting an information into the email that is very much relevant, and you are giving easy access to your subscribers to put those information and to click, or maybe like, because see, for every email campaign we are doing, maybe there is a promotional email campaign, okay, we'll measure the clicks and something like that. But if there is a lead generation email campaign, at that time you need at least a good CTAs to make sure that people have easy to access to your CTA, and it's easy to interact with them, and then you can get more leads, right? But interaction is very much important. And there's one more factor, that if email deliverability is going down, we optimize our email content or an email or the email sending strategy the way, like we encourage our it's like we need to motivate and we need to encourage our subscribers to come and respond to our content, and or maybe at least do some interactions to our content. That is very much important. Now, you know, for the very first step that you need to do is, like from address management, like, we set up our email earlier. So we set up our email, and then we verified, because we are going to send emails from this email address. So we have got that verified now. But before that, need to see whether this booking.com is verified or not. Your domain, the email domain should also be verified. So let's register one of the domain. Let's say this. I did earlier also. So if I click on this, if we click on get token, then we get this. Okay, now this is the token that should go to your DNS. Correct. So this token should go to your DNS record. So you need to share it with your IT team, and they will put this token into a DNS record. And then after that activity, once your IT team confirms that token is added, you need to click on the verify over here. And as soon as you click here, it will show green mark, and then your status will change to the verified. Else, if it's not verified, if you have requested and if it's not getting verified, then it will show pending and then expired. So at some stage this token will get expired, so you need to generate another token for that. So this is how we register our email domain in Marketing Cloud. Then I was talking about that how we will see that our delivery rate. So now for when we go to email studio tracking and the send reports of all our emails, if we open any of our email, let's say, let me go back. So now let's say this first email. Okay. I'll open this email. Here, there is a send performance that you can see. This is the send performance. And this is very much important that I was talking about to understand that how is your delivery rate. So you can maybe have a rough idea, not rough idea, actually you have a high level idea from here that how your email that you're sending for marketing clouds are performing. So delivery rate, you can see there are hard bounces. Hard bounces is like totally the email is wrong or it's a junk email or a test email. Soft bounce is that maybe there was a time where email was existing, or maybe the system will retry after some time to send an email to this particular emails, and then if it's still not sending, then it will consider as a hard bounce. Block bounce is something like someone is blocking, your emails are not delivering to the correct persons, maybe spammy filters are getting triggered. So these all things like how the block bounce will get detected when you are sending an email. Now this happens delivery rate when we are working on improving our delivery rate and performing the IP warming. At that time, the best practice is to like we send emails in a small set. Let's say I'm having a 1 lakh set of subscribers to whom I need to send an email. So I'll send an email to them in the small sets instead of sending it one time, maybe in a gap, or in between, in every alternate day or something like that, or every day small set I will send an email. So this is what email deliverability. This is how, or these are the few things that will help you to improve your email deliverability. So yeah, if you are having any issue with email deliverability, I think we can discuss. Or yeah, I think these are the few items that these are the few items, or you can say few tasks that you should do and you should understand about that what is your sender reputation or what is your delivery rate, and then start working on improving this one by one, and this will help. So yeah, thank you so much.